to keep yourself healthy. Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do 5 asana. Let us start. First, sit at any meditative posture. Close your eyes. We'll chant Om. We'll start with Setu Bandhasan. Setu Bandhasan, lie down on your mat. Very slowly, push your body up. And release. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Now let's do headstand. For the beginners, they just need to hold like this and stretch. Release. Now let's try to do this asana. Again, hold and sit in Balasana. Stretch your body. Now we are going to do Bhujangasana. Hand beside your chest, very slowly come up, inhale. Now in this asana, relax your shoulder. Go more up, relax your shoulder. Relax. Now let's do simple kriya. We are going to wrap up our episode with simple kriya. In simple kriya, you're just going to increase the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Right and left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Breathing with proper coordinations of muscle. It helps to reduce toxins, increase blood circulation, stimulate your nervous system. After 5 guys, stop eating oily food. Always stay healthy, happy. We'll come back again. Thank you.